Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be unboxing and showing some new inventory that I have on my website, myroyalradiance.com. This came in today and I just want to show you what I have. I have some restocks, but I also have some new designs I want to show you guys. First, I want to show you the Chanel with the crown. This is a very popular one. This one is very popular. It was sold out. I now have this back in stock, so I'm excited about that. Okay. This is a new one I picked up. I absolutely love this. Look at this. And these are faux leather. It's nice and soft. It's not too hard, but it's very nice and soft. The color is extremely vibrant. If I bring this closer, you would almost think you're looking at like a big bin of Chanel pins. So I'm really excited to use this. These are 9x12 sheets. There's free shipping, and if you buy 3 sheets, you get a 4th sheet free of charge as a gift to you. I absolutely love this one. This is like a large, like kind of like a jumbo Louis Vuitton leather. Oh, I love this pink. It's like a bubblegum pink and then it's white. Super cute. I'm excited about this one. This is a very popular one. This one sells out very quickly. As soon as I get it in, it's basically gone. This is the classic LV logo. Okay, so this is a new one I have in stock. It's a rainbow, well, not rainbow, but it's like a multicolored checkered LV logo style fabric. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I'm so excited about this one. Okay, I have this LV. It's like a black background, but it has this multicolor LV logos on it. This is so pretty. I love how the colors pop with the black in the background. This is so cute. This royal blue is so pretty. So it's royal blue and it's gray. So these are like the GGs, the Gucci logo. And this is very pretty. I never really have like a nice blue, so I'm very happy to have this blue fabric. I liked it so much. I also have this in black, so this is a black Gucci logos, and this is a 9x12. I also have half sheets available, which are like a 5x7. So that is available. myroyalradiance.com. myroyalradiance.com. This floral Gucci, another very popular one. This one sells out very fast. I love this one. The flowers are just so pretty. It's just so dainty. It's so girly. It's just very classic. So this was a restock and this is now back in stock. This is for my pink lovers. This is like a very hot neon bright pink and it has the Chanel all over it. This is so pretty. I love this. Very pretty. This is another new style. Last but not least, this is a black and pink and white Gucci, and this is absolutely fabulous as well. So go ahead and go to myroyalradiance.com. Take advantage of these new styles, free shipping, buy 3 get 1 random sheet free of charge. It's all here for you. Okay, so this does conclude this video. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. I have many new styles and I'm restocked on a lot of styles that sold out. And remember, when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you will get a 4th random sheet added to your order. Thanks you guys for watching this video. And go ahead and subscribe if you want to. And if you do decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. I am almost at 30,000 subscribers. I'm really excited about that. I just want to focus on continuing to put out quality videos and get my views up. But I really do appreciate you guys for watching. And you can follow me on Instagram at My Royal Radiance. And I'm also on TikTok as well at Life is a Whole Vibe. Instagram also, Life is a Whole Vibe. Thanks again. Bye-bye.